かませておいて手を離した砕けたかけら抱いて離せないまま今こぼれ落ちて時のかけら集めて抱きしめたまま今こぼれ落ちて消えた。It was a little surprising that how lovely I pulled something. Mokocha, are you okay? Mokocha, I'm scared I pulled a muscle. Do you want to know what it is? It's been scaring us a couple times here. I wake up sometimes because that makes a lot of noise. Mokocha has a big water bottle, like a pet bottle. A pet bottle. Because sometimes it'll just suddenly go and it's really loud. Oh, listen. It pulled something. I don't know what. Mokocha, when was the last time you touched that water bottle? At least 6 hours. Yeah. It wants attention, right? I apologize, Wolfie. We're gonna have to give it some headpats. It's not. It just likes to make sure that we know it's there. Maybe it's like a reminder to drink water. Right. I've never gotten so surprised I pulled a mask. It's like, you know, there's the type of the goats, right? Huh? That the goats, that if you surprise them, they get all frozen. No! Mokocha, you sure? No! Yeah. I'm not a goat. I'm Moko goat. Okay.